Human hair, cortex medulla. Slide showing hair with a thick cortex and a thin non-continuous medulla. Study of hair is called trichology. Hair consists of cortex, medulla, cuticle. Human hair characterized by thin non-continuous medulla, thick cortex, thin medulla. Medical legal importance: identification of species, race, age, sex of a person can be determined. Cause of death: heavy metal poisoning, burns, etc. Type of injury: blunt or sharp force to connect a crime, bestiality. Animal hair. Slide showing hair with a thin cortex, thick continuous medulla. മറ്റേത് തിക്ക് കോർട്ടക്സ് ആണ്, തിൻ മെഡിലയാണ്. ഇവിടെ തിന്ന് കോർട്ടക്സും തിക്ക് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് മെഡിലയുമാണ്. ആനിമൽ hair consisting of cortex, medulla, cuticle characterized by thin cortex, thick continuous fragmented medulla. Medical legal importance: identification of species, cause of death, heavy metal poisoning, burns, etc. Type of injury: blunt or sharp force to connect crime, bestiality. Thank you.